I'm looking at the drum of a washing machine that was broken beyond repair, and this was why. Well, this is one of the reasons why. The motor was dead. It was a direct drive motor, but if you look in there, this is the inside of the drum. It's all taken apart. The inside of the tub. You can hear that noise, and that free play is in the washing machine bearing, the inner bearing, the one closest to the drum. So it's got about 1 millimeter of play. And just to show you, I'll turn the drum over and show you what a good one is. So, and obviously it's all rusty and greasy and it's burst out as well, and that's come through the seal as well. On the back, this one, it has a bit of dirt on it, and I presume that's from the one on the inside because it looks okay, although it is leaking grease, so maybe the seal has gone on it as well, because when the first one goes, the second one is soon to follow, but that is nice and smooth. So I'll try and knock them out and see what they look like when they're knocked out. So that's one there. You can hear the rattling in it. This is the side that was on the washing machine drum side, and this is the side. That punch mark there is from my hammer because it slipped. So I was trying to drive it out along this ring here. Pretty rotten. If you've got a bearing that looks like that anywhere, it's past itself. And that's this one, and even though it's been, oh, I can feel it now, it's gone as well. I think that is more likely to be, because it feels nice and smooth. But if you can see, just there, just along here, there's a bit of play in that one as well. Some of that could have been from me bashing it out. You're meant to press them in gently along the outer rim, but getting them out, you just have to force them out. That's how you get your bearings out anyways, and that's what a bad bearing looks like.